Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to show you one of the most useful and sustainable technologies on our farm, a small biogas plant. Every day, this simple system converts fresh cow dung into clean cooking gas and high-quality organic fertilizer. It is an excellent example of how farmers can turn waste into valuable resources while protecting the environment. To the biogas plant. Inside the underground digester, natural microorganisms break down the organic material without oxygen. During this natural process, methane-rich biogas is produced. From just 15 kilograms of cow dung each day, our family gets approximately 2 to 3 hours of clean cooking gas. This reduces our dependence on LPG cylinders and firewood, saves money, and keeps the kitchen free from smoke. Instead of wasting farm waste, we convert it into useful energy every single day. One of the biggest advantages of biogas is that it is completely renewable. As long as we have cows, we can continue producing clean fuel. This makes it an excellent solution for rural families and small farmers who want an affordable and environmentally friendly energy source. Biogas also helps protect the environment. Cow dung left in open areas naturally releases methane into the atmosphere. By collecting that methane and using it as fuel, we reduce greenhouse gas emissions while producing clean energy at the same time. But the benefits don't stop with the gas. After the gas is produced, the remaining material flows out as biogas slurry. This slurry is not wasted, is one of the best natural fertilizers available. It contains valuable nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and beneficial microorganisms that improve soil fertility. On our farm, we use a slurry in crop fields, vegetable gardens, and around fruit trees. It helps improve soil structure, increases water retention, encourages healthy root growth, and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Healthier soil leads to healthier crops and better harvests. This means that one simple biogas plant provides two major benefits: clean renewable energy for cooking and nutrient-rich organic fertilizer for farming. Nothing is wasted. Everything becomes part of a natural cycle. Small biogas systems like this are becoming increasingly important as farmers look for sustainable and low-cost farming solutions. They reduce waste, lower expenses, improve soil health, and help protect our planet for future generations. Here in rural India, this small biogas plant has become an essential part of our daily life. Every morning, we feed it with fresh cow dung, and every day it gives us clean energy and valuable fertilizer. It is a simple technology, but its benefits are truly remarkable. If you enjoyed seeing how this biogas system works, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing for more real farming experiences from rural India. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.